Okay, picked up a couple of interesting things at the flea market yesterday. The first thing is an Emud model 921 AM/FM shortwave stereo console that was built in West Germany. I think it's from around 1960. Yeah, cabinet looks pretty good on it. It has a few spots that need to be taken care of, but overall a good cleaning and polishing should make it look nice again. I was told that the radio works, but the phonograph does not. I haven't plugged it in yet to see. And here's the record changer, which is a Telefunken changer. And there's the dial and control panel. Now we'll look in the back and see what the inside looks like. And here's the back panel. And it's easy to remove this back cover. You just flip these little latches up. And there it is. And as you can see, there's the chassis. It still has all Telefunken tubes in it. And this is a single-ended 6BQ5 or EL84 tube-based amplifier. It uses one 6BQ5 per channel. And I don't think you can see them well, but there are the speakers back down in there. So I think this will be a good unit once we get it up and running again. And the other thing I picked up is this circa 1962 Sears Silvertone stereo console. This was a lower end unit, but I think it'll still do okay. It obviously uses side firing speakers. And here's the insides showing the record changer and the dial. The record changer was built by Crescent, and the chassis was built by Warwick, which made a lot of Sears stuff. And I think this junk on top is where somebody had something stuck to it. I was able to get some of that off with my fingernail, so I think that has hope. Now we'll look in the back of this. And here's the back cover. And this unit also has provisions for external speakers and an external antenna. Here's the chassis. Now these look to be probably 8-inch speakers. It uses a full range speaker for each channel. And the chassis is a series string type that uses, looks like a 35C5 output tube for each channel. Oh, probably good for maybe 1 to 2 watts per channel. And that may not sound very impressive, but like I've said in previous videos, even most of the low-end stuff from a long time ago is a lot better than the low-end stuff from today. Okay, got one other thing to show you. I also picked up this Mathis cooler box fan from the late 1940s. This is a 4-speed model in a wooden case, very well built. And actually this was made by the same Curtis Mathis company that built TVs and other consumer electronics. Of course, in later years all they did was add their name to cheap imported stuff, but that's another story. But the fan needs to be taken apart, cleaned and lubricated. I plugged it up just to see what would happen, and the motor hummed, so that tells me it needs to be taken apart and cleaned. So there you go, my newest toys. Hope you enjoyed it, and more to come later.